Hey everyone, so today I want to show you really quickly the replacement valve kit for Kohler toilets. And Kohler actually updated the model numbers that went for these valve kits, and this is the model number here, GP1138930, and it states specifically what valve kit you need. If you have a black valve kit, right, you sort of go with a different model number compared to if you have a gray one. This is the one you go with, and I will put the model number I have as a replacement for this one, and also let you know how it fits when I do make the installation. Now I'll just measure it really quickly and show you what comes in the package. It comes with everything you need, sort of, to sorry about that. It comes with everything you need to do a complete replacement for this fill valve. Nothing else in the box. So it comes with a rubber washer and the valve kit itself, some instructions, a new hose line, and the flow nozzle that is replaceable here. The one I currently have is blue, so I probably just leave it there, but you can replace it according to what you have right now. Now this measures about 12 inches. So I just want to quickly show you how you expand the opening, or expand the tube itself to make it however big you want to fit your particular need, right? So this adjust button, or this adjust tubing, comes out. So you push this ring up, it sort of keeps it locked in place, and you just simply pull it out. Right? Don't try to twist it. It doesn't work if you twist it. You just pull it out gently to whatever height you want it, and there's notches or markings. So you just line it up with the one you take out from your toilet, basically, and toilet tank, and measure it. I guess you put it side by side, measure it, right? And so you adjust it accordingly, and just basically lock it into place, and use the included hardware to make your replacement easy. So I will remove the one from the toilet currently and replace it with this one. It shouldn't be a problem. It should work just as fine. Genuine Kohler part. And again, that's the model number there. So that's a quick shot of it replaced. It worked out nicely. Just be sure to measure the old one with the new one so you have a good fit. Thanks for watching.